Top with lashings of butter, coriander and green chilies, a zesty onion salad and achar on the side, and a hot tandoori roti to scoop up all the goodness of this fry masala dal. You are guaranteed to love it.
If you like this recipe, then don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon.
This is 1 cup of Maash Dal, also known as Urad Daal or split and skinned black gram lentils. I have washed it thoroughly and soaked it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now I'm going to boil this, and for that I have put this pre-soaked dal in a pot and now I'm adding water in it. Don't boil the dal in excess water as we won't be discarding it. This water will have all the flavor and essence of dal, so we'll use this in the cooking process later on. Add little bit of salt in it. Mix it well and let it cook till it's about 80% done. Once done, take it out of the water to stop the cooking process and keep the water on the side for later on. Now for the masala, I have taken one medium-sized onion and I'm going to roughly chop it. I have taken a wok and have added almost quarter cup of oil in it. Once the oil starts heating up, add chopped up onion in it. And fry it till it's beautiful golden in color. The onions are done now, as you guys can see it. Now I'm adding 1 heaped teaspoon of freshly chopped up garlic in it and 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger paste. Always use fresh ginger and garlic in this recipe as it will add a lot of flavor to your dish. Saute it for about 20 to 30 seconds until a very nice aroma starts coming out of it. Once done, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes cut into halves and a splash of water in it so that masala doesn't get burned. Cover the pot and let it cook on medium-low heat till all the tomatoes soften up a little bit. Once done, remove the skin of the tomatoes and mash these with the help of a spatula to form a gravy. Now we'll start adding the spices. I'm first adding 1 heaped teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of kadahi masala of any brand, and 1 pinch of turmeric powder in it. Saute it really well to eliminate all the rawness of the spices. And add quarter cup of dal water which we have saved earlier. Cook the masala on medium heat, mashing it with the help of a spatula in between till it's 100% done and oil comes on top of it. Once done, add boiled dal in it and saute it for few minutes. Then we will add 3 tablespoons of yogurt in it. To avoid curdling, I'm adding simmering masala in the yogurt before adding it in the dish. Now mix everything really well and saute it for a good 4 to 5 minutes. Now I will add 1 chicken bouillon cube in it. One and a half cup of remaining dal water and some salt, which will be according to your taste. Since we have already added 1 chicken bouillon cube which has salt in it, so we'll add the salt accordingly. Mix everything really well. Cover the pot and let it cook on medium heat till the dal is 100% done and the oil comes on top. Once done, add sliced green chilies some julienne cut ginger, and fresh coriander leaves on top. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it and sprinkle half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in it. Cover the pot and let it simmer for a couple of minutes to infuse the flavor of these in the dish. Once done, garnish it with some more coriander leaves, some green chilies, and ginger, and enjoy this delicious Dhaba style fry Maash Daal with freshly made tandoori roti and chapatis. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.